DEWALT DCF961GH1 Cordless Impact Wrench Kit Review. Maximum torque, real control. There is a specific kind of frustration that every mechanic and contractor knows intimately. You are working against a seized bolt that will not budge. The wrench is spinning without grip, and the job is already behind schedule. That tight, grinding tension in your hands when the tool just cannot deliver what the task demands is genuinely exhausting. And here is the thing. It is not always about effort. Sometimes it is about having the wrong amount of torque at the wrong moment. Either not enough to break the fastener free or too much to set it accurately without over-tightening. Both problems cost time, damage parts, and quietly drain confidence in your equipment. So if that scenario sounds familiar to you, keep watching. The frustration compounds across a full workday in ways that are easy to underestimate. Every fastener that resists your wrench adds seconds that stack into minutes. Rusted lug nuts on a vehicle, seized flange bolts on heavy equipment, and stubborn anchor hardware on a concrete job all demand more from your tool than a standard impact wrench comfortably delivers. And then there is the opposite problem. When you finally get a wrench powerful enough to break things loose, controlling that same power during tightening becomes its own challenge. Over-tightening a bolt on a critical assembly is a real risk, and fixing that mistake costs far more time than the original job. Let me explain what makes this particularly draining. Switching between power levels on most tools is either clunky or simply unavailable, leaving professionals guessing instead of working with confidence and precision. Then everything changed when the DEWALT DCF961GH1 Cordless Impact Wrench Kit entered the equation. Don't just pick any cordless impact wrench. Make sure it has precision wrench mode alongside a high-torque brushless motor so you never suffer through over-tightened fasteners or failed breakaway attempts on stubborn seized bolts again. The DEWALT DCF961GH1 is built around one straightforward idea: maximum cordless power paired with genuine control, so you aren't just applying force blindly. The brushless motor delivers up to 1,320 foot-pounds of fastening torque and 1,900 foot-pounds of breakaway torque, figures that DEWALT positions as the highest rated in the cordless half-inch category. That is real-world capability backed by verifiable published specifications. The 3-speed settings let you match power to the task immediately, whether you are running down fasteners quickly on speed 3 or setting critical torque accurately on speed 1. Precision wrench mode specifically targets the two most common professional frustrations: over-tightening in forward and fastener runoff in reverse, giving you confident control on assemblies that require consistent clamp force. And here is the thing about the included PowerStack oil-resistant 5 amp-hour battery. It is not just a convenience item packed in to justify the kit format. The battery and brushless motor combination is specifically engineered to unlock the full torque output this wrench is rated for. Pro Tool reviews describe the DCF961 platform as one of the strongest cordless half-inch impact wrenches in DEWALT's lineup, noting the precision wrench mode as a genuinely useful control feature for professional applications. A mechanic using it daily mentioned the hog ring anvil made socket changes fast enough that workflow rarely stops between tasks. Some users note the weight reflects the power-first design, which is a fair trade at this torque level. What fastening tasks are currently giving you the most trouble? The DEWALT DCF961GH1 Cordless Impact Wrench Kit gives professionals the rarest combination in cordless tools: maximum breakaway torque and precise fastening control in one ready-to-use package. Thousands of mechanics, contractors, and industrial professionals are already running this wrench on demanding daily jobs with consistent results. Results may vary based on battery condition and application. If you are ready to stop wrestling with stubborn fasteners and start working with a tool that genuinely matches your demands, the affiliate link is in the description and pinned comment below. Click through and see everything this kit includes for yourself.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.